Hello, everyone, and welcome to Made by Google 2025. You're here.
We're really proud of what we've made this year, and so we're very excited to show it off to everyone.
I've been using the new Pixel, and Gemini is next level. It's awesome.
Well, thank you. We've been building towards this universal AI assistant with Gemini. Already, you can use Gemini on your phone, and you can use it on your watch, and earbuds. This fall, it's going to be coming to your car, to your TV, and to your smart speakers and smart display in the home. And we're even working on glasses with Gemini in them.
I want to welcome the Vice President of Marketing, Adrienne Lofton.
Today, we're launching 7 all-new Pixel devices. So we're taking the world's best smartphone and we're upping our own game with the 10. It's powerful, it's fast, and feel the satin finish on the edges and the camera bar.
Ooh, silky.
See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
The design and the aesthetic is unbelievable. And it's a Pixel, so the camera is unbelievable. And the colors, we think, look at this palette, we think these colors are sexy as hell. So unlike other devices, you can customize your Pixel as little as you, or as much as you want. So we think it's just stunning. And we have a fancy name for all of this. It's called Material 3 Expressive, because Pixel 10 is all about your vibe on your screen.
Yeah.
And the screen that we've got is just absolutely stunning. Let's go to the Pixel 10 Pro.
Yes.
Okay, so this guy is for people who want more. It features premium materials, premium performance, and it comes in 2 sizes, so you could pick the one that works best for you. And on top of that, it has the best display of any flagship phone, and it has the best pixel camera ever. We've got something called ProRes Zoom. And bottom line, this is the highest quality zoom on any smartphone, and it lets you zoom up to 100x. So this picture, it looks incredible, right?
Oh my God, yeah, that's me driving into work this morning.
It looks just like New York City.
Yeah.
Because you'll see that it might not, if you take it from where we actually took this shot from, way back there. The Pixel 10 Pro is extremely fast. Now that's credit to our Google Tensor G5 chip, and on top of that chip, we have laptop levels of RAM. So there is plenty of power for the latest Gemini features and for all of the AI updates we're going to continue to roll out over the life cycle of this phone. Speaking of which, every Pixel comes with 7 years of OS and security updates. On top of that, you get something that we call Pixel Drops. And that's new software and features that roll out over the life of time, so your phone keeps getting better, smarter, faster. Our language, it's a vibe, it's a feel, it's not just a name.
Yes.
So maybe we Vanna White a little bit. We'll go real quick. So this, we've got Moonstone, beautiful jade.
Jade, of course.
And then on top of that, we've got a luxurious porcelain.
Ooh.
And then finally, you can get this guy, sleek, powerful obsidian. Pixel 10 Pro Fold really stands out in a crowd because it reimagines what a phone can and should be. We've got inside this phone, IP68 water and dust protection. Beautiful.
No foldable has done this
That
yet.
is correct.
You're the first to do it.
We've got the Pixel Snap. And this is pretty simple. The Pixel Snap just allows you to snap your phone on chargers, on wallets, on stands, on anything you need. And on top of that, just a little secret that this works perfectly fine with your Apple MagSafe accessories. So let's move on to the Pixel Watch 4. The new Pixel Watch is elegant, it's comfortable, it's simply beautiful, and it's a timepiece. It's got excellent battery life. So just 15 minutes in this charger gets you up to 15 hours of use. The Pixel Watch is the only smartwatch that can detect a loss of pulse, and it automatically places a call to emergency services for you.
Let's talk earbuds.
Okay, so the first announcement is we're rolling out many new features to our Pixel Buds Pro 2 just next month. There are new head gestures that let you shake your head to decline a call or nod your head to accept a text.
No way.
Yes. And on top of that, you could talk to Gemini Live in noisy places like busy cafes. And on top of that, you get the new adaptive audio, and that's just great for those moments where you need to block out some noise, but let the important sounds come through.
Yep.
On top of that, we're adding loud noise protection. I don't need to describe what that means. I think we all know.
Yep.
And so if you already own a pair of Pixel Buds Pro 2, just like we talked about earlier with new features rolling out constantly, your buds just got better. Now let's talk about the new, and that is the Pixel Buds 2A. Okay, so these are the best of Pixel Buds, but at an incredible value. You get active noise cancellation, crystal clear audio, all-day battery life, and they're smaller, lighter, and super comfortable. They also have this very cool twist to adjust stabilizer so you can get the exact right fit. Okay, so we talked buds, we talked watches, we talked Pixel snaps, and of course devices. That is it. These are the latest additions to the Pixel family.
Hey, Bud, nice to see you, Bud.
Hey, how's it going?
Everything's fantastic. This is great. Tyler, my inbox is out of control, and you said that my Pixel 10 can help with that.
Absolutely.
Okay.
We've got a new feature called Magic Queue, and it's perfect for keeping on top of your messages and so much more.
Yep, there's Rick there. He says to me, when are we getting dinner tonight? Now, I've already made reservations.
Yep, and so at the bottom there, that button, that's Magic Queue at work. And look, you can see it already found the name of the restaurant for you. Right from the booking email that you had, you can just tap it to send. It's that easy.
What time do you land in the Bay? So this is me going to San Francisco, and then it found when I am going to San Francisco, like a...
That's it. Yep, Magic Queue can find just the right bit of information that you need, and then bring it straight to you.
Alex says, can you share that photo of Gary in the hat?
So Magic Queue can do more than just find the information you need, but it can also help you get things done, like searching for exactly the photos that a friend's asking for. Check it out.
So I go to share photos. There's Gary.
And turns out Gary's a dog.
Gary is my dog, yes. Yeah, Gary, so there's a picture of Gary in the hat. I just click on Gary and then done. Send. Look at that.
Pretty magical, right? As you can see, Magic Queue is just one way that Pixel 10 anticipates your needs and makes life just a little bit easier.
Now you can ask Google Photos to edit pictures for you.
Yep.
Even if you don't know anything about photo editing, you just type what you want to improve, and it'll do it for you.
Okay, so for this photo, when I'm looking at it, my personal preference would be I want to fix the lighting, and I'm going to fix the framing. So let's put that in.
Okay, you see this kind of sparkly vibe that's going on?
Yep.
That is the Gemini models that work. So they're identifying the people, and they're actually changing the background, fixing the lighting, and
Oh my God. Oh my God.
there you go. Pixel has used AI to improve your photos in the past, but now we're also using AI to help you become a better photographer too. So
Okay.
yeah, we're gonna hit that top right button. You see that Camera Coach button? We're gonna hop in. So right now, Camera Coach is analyzing the scene and trying to get us kind of different poses that Jimmy could be in. And ooh, we got a few.
So right now we have host on the sofa. We have a close-up on the host, which I do really like that.
That's amazing.
We have man on blue sofa.
Who is that?
And we have studio backdrop. So they're giving me kind of the canvas of
We
what I
love
can
the
play with.
close-up. You know you
I
like the close-up.
personally, we need to go right for the moneymaker. We got to go close-up on Jimmy, okay? So we're going close-up. Here we go. We're picking this.
Right now, Gemini just created a bunch of different steps for us to get that perfect photo. So go ahead, Alex, lead
Sorry,
the charge.
look at Jimmy's face. Okay, so at the top, it's giving me suggestions of how to make this the optimal photo. So it says zoom in to his chest and go up. Are you okay if I come closer to your chest?
Thank you for asking.
Perfect. Okay, we're coming close to the chest.
Yeah.
Next, it says place his head in the upper part of the frame. So I'm gonna come down a little bit
Jimmy,
more.
place your head in the upper part of the frame.
Yeah. Jimmy, just don't move, Jimmy, okay? Trust me. Okay, lower the camera to his eye level.
All right,
Here
we're
we
getting
go. And then we're gonna take this gorgeous photo. But you know what? I think I'm gonna go portrait, because Kenny, you know I'm obsessed with portrait. Cheers. Boom.
Pixel can now translate phone calls in real time. And Jimmy, we do this in your own voice, inflections and everything, okay? And now you can have a conversation in Spanish, Japanese, Hindi, and more. And the thing is, Pixel handles the translation entirely on device. So your phone conversations, they're gonna stay private. Should I give her a call? We can see it in action.
Yeah, see
Should
this.
we do it?
I'm excited.
Okay. All right, so we'll turn on the translation feature. I head to Call Assist, Voice Translate, choose the language, and...
Call is translated by Google AI. In each speaker's voice, audio is not saved.
Hi, Karen. Can you hear me? Does this work?
Hola Karen, ¿puedes oírme? ¿Funciona esto?
What's up? Hello. I'm the crazy person listening to you in Spanish.
Okay, this is really cool. I can't believe how fast it's working.
Esto es realmente genial. No puedo creer lo rápido que está funcionando.
Te cuento la increíble noticia que acabo de escuchar. They tell you the incredible news I just heard. Por primera vez, Google Pixel 10. For the first time, Google Pixel 10 will be available in Mexico.
Pixel Watch 4 is a smartwatch that's ready for anything. The first of its kind Actua 360 display is literally domed. It pushes pixels to the edge, making it bigger, brighter, and everything you do with it that much better. During workouts, real-time guidance helps me stay in the zone so I can hit my goals. It's almost like having Cody in my life 24/7.
No, if I could only find a man who wants to be in my life that much.
During a run, it keeps me at my target pace. During a hit, it helps me stay in my target heart rate zone. And while biking, now I can even see my stats on my phone in real time.
Think fast.
Woo. But you do so much more than what you manually track. So now, with next generation activity recognition, even if you forget to start a workout, your watch will automatically send you a recap so you never miss out on your stats. It's our smartest activity recognition yet, using AI to learn your routine, labeling your Sunday soccer game as, well, soccer. And for the first time ever on a smartwatch, you can use on-device satellite communications to contact emergency services even when you're off the grid. And there are so many ways Pixel Watch helps you stay connected and stay ahead. With the new Raise to Talk, you'll be able to get help from Gemini hands-free. No button presses, no hey Google. I can just raise my wrist and say, move my workout with Cody tomorrow an hour later so I can sleep in. So we're taking things a step further with a new personal AI health coach. It's a new kind of coach built with Gemini that's always available, always adapting, backed by science, and uniquely tailored to you. Starting in October in the US, Fitbit Premium users will be able to preview the coach in the completely redesigned Fitbit app.